just in Lagos right now. I'm in Zamfara. Don't worry, I will come back in the next 2 weeks because in Zamfara here I can't do transfer. This one I like it.
How you there now? How market?
If I sell anything to the market, you just pay.
I'm going to shop, close my shop.
No problem, man.
I dey travel for like 1 month to not open the shop. You hear me, eh?
If I don't pack the man,
Come inside, hurry up. Woman. Hi. I'm ready to go.
as mom dollars give me your money.
$1 She said that 2 weeks, so make I give her 2 weeks.
I will lie, if I catch that woman, she doesn't know me, but
Leave her, just calm down.